Hello? Are you Senor Kurt? Hola, Senor Kurt.
Lad, look at that thing.
We're from Grand Motorsports. We got a letter from the North Pole. Santa Claus said you've been very good this year.
Certainly I have.
Yes, and this is your Christmas surprise, Senor. I believe the letter was from Tara. Is that you?
Yes.
Yes, well, Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
Thank you.
This is your Can-Am Christmas surprise, Senor.